Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious gluten-free vegan double chocolate chip muffins. So let's hop right into it.
I'm starting off by adding a half cup of cocoa powder into a bowl, and I'm sifting all of my dry ingredients to avoid any clumps. 1 cup of oat flour. And oat flour is so easy to make. Just take some oats and add it to a blender until it becomes a flour-like texture. 1 cup of gluten-free flour, and I'm using Bob's Red Mill's, my favorite brand. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Next, I'm adding in a half cup of unsweetened almond milk plus 4 tablespoons and a half cup of water. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of agave, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now I am adding 1 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips, and I got these chocolate chips from Trader Joe's, and I'm just folding in the chocolate chips. Now I'm filling up 12 muffin tins, and I'm going to bake my muffins at 350 at 16 to 20 minutes. I left mine in for 16 minutes, but depending on your oven, it might be longer.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I had 3 of these already because they're just so good. But I'm still gonna do a taste test. I kid you not, these are the best gluten-free chocolate vegan muffins in the world. It's so moist. Oh my goodness. It's not dry. It tastes like a brownie. That's what it tastes like. Like a delicious cake, muffin, fudgy chocolate brownie. Oh yeah. And there's not that much sugar in it, but you can't even tell. It's natural. Everything in this is healthy, guilt-free, which is why I had so many, because you can't just have one. Trust me, it's so good. For anybody with kids out there, this is a good recipe for them because you don't have to worry about them having tons of sugar and junk in their food, but they're not going to know it. Trust me. Well, that was my 4th one. If you make those delicious chocolate muffins, and I hope you do, you will not be disappointed, please tag me at LexusIvana on Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.